Hi friends, as you know, the WP Themes channel brings all the wonderful themes for you, and it covers almost all the great themes in education category, and I am adding another great theme today in this video called Koacher. Koacher is an specialized education theme for coaching and online courses, and it is really a great theme. This is why it has been chosen to be on this channel, and it has been developed by Boostify Themes, and they are elite authors. The theme was developed in 2021 only, and it is exactly a new theme. So it is having very less number of sales, and it is going to bring unique websites since no copy of very less number of copies are available on the web with this theme, and you are going to get a new look for your website with this theme, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So you can consider this theme as the most updated theme in this category. Okay, fine. So this theme is having 6 demo website with it. It is life coach, health coach, kitchen coach, business coach, course portal, and distant learning. So I will show you some demo website using Koacher theme, and this is one of the demo website, and it is for this is in fact landing page, and this is the website using the Koacher theme, and this is the life coach, and it is wonderful, of course. So it is having all the features which you need for a online course or similar website. So okay, so this is the another one. So in this video we are going to install the Koacher WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also review the theme options and the customization options. And stay tuned until the end of this video, because I am going to show you all the features of this theme, and you never know the features of theme which you are going to select until you buy it. And the WP Themes channel gives you this advantage to overview the themes in detail. So you have to be here, please. And now I am going to start the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have licensing, documentation, and main theme file. To begin the installation, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress. This is a very new installation. Click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose koacher.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme file size. The theme file size is just 16.78 MB in size, and it is a well optimized theme. So it is going to give you an advantage of speed, of course. And both activities of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload the theme using the WordPress interface, or you can upload the theme directly on your server. So once the progress bar turns green, I have uploaded the theme on server. So once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. This is the file which we just uploaded, and I am extracting it. Okay, so extraction outcome is this Koacher folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders, and files. And I'm just deleting this macros, it is not required. And now we can also delete the zip one, it is not required, it's just consuming the server space. We have already extracted it. So now we are fine with the theme components, and we can go back to the theme section of WordPress, and we have another theme option of Koacher. This is Koacher version 1.0.2, and it is Boostify theme. Koacher is a professional LMS, education center, and WooCommerce theme for Boostify from Boostify Themes. Activate it now, and upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins, and this theme uses Elementor and Kirky. So this is both is a great combination. The framework and the page builder is great in this theme, and one click demo import is also here. Let us see the complete list of plugins. These are the list of plugins. These 3 are required, rest are recommended only. But I'll install all the plugins as I need to showcase all the feature of this theme. And these are 16 plugins in fact, so I'm just skipping the Envato Market, it is not required in fact, and I'm installing this 15 plugins in just one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. And if you are ordering the theme along with the hosting plan at WP Themes website, so you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. All the plugins got installed in just few seconds, and we have already installed the 15 plugins. And now we can go back for activating the installed plugins, and now we can activate the installed plugins, and it can be also done in one go. Okay, that is now being activated. All plugins are being activated now. And okay, so one means all plugins has been activated. Somehow it is getting this response, but we can check and the plugin installation. In fact, installed plugins, I'll check the activation has been done or not. Okay, so it got landed on the welcome page of Elementor. Again, I am clicking on this installed plugins. Okay, great. WooCommerce is required, please activate. Okay, so just WooCommerce is required, and rest of plugins has been activated. Somehow WooCommerce remained unactivated, and Tutor LMS Pro also. This WP reset is mine, it is not for you. And I am activating the rest of plugin which remained unactivated during the process. So I am okay, so I am activating these plugins as well. Okay, so I have installed rest of plugins and activate TIU Commerce activate. Okay, good. You can dismiss all these messages, it was not required. So commerce with this plugin did setup. Okay, fine, it is no thanks. Okay, so one is inactive still. Let us see. Okay, that is mine. So all the plugins has been installed and activated now, and we are fine with the plugin and the theme itself. Now we can take a look. Just click on the dashboard. It may require further information from WooCommerce. Just okay, fine. So it is not asking anything else. So we are fine with the theme and all set of plugins. So we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the plugin and the theme. Okay, so this is the basic look of Koacher, and it is of course without any demo content. And we have a target website like any of this. So at this stage we need to have demo content, and we need to import the demo content at this stage. So I am just looking for the option where it lies. Okay, under appearance there is an option called import demo data, and we will be fine with it. And here is the import demo data option, through which we can import the demo data. Just click on the import demo data, and the next screen says it needs we may opt to have certain plugins, but I am not choosing this, it is not required actually. And now the import process has been started, and it may take up to 4 or 5 minutes as it gets connected from the developer web server, and it also downloads the images from there. So we have to be here on this screen without refreshing or leaving this page until it gets complete. So your due patience is required here, and you will reach finally on this screen import complete, and there is some failure message, but it does not matter. It is just media files, and it may just not show the Facebook and some icons, but it is fine. And we have got all the demo, and we can check what we got in the demo. I'll show you the pages, and then we will also see the website, outcome website, and this is the pages. So in fact 38 pages are here, so all can be used for your website. Contact versions, about versions are here, and I'll show you. Okay, so health coach, health coach welcome pages here, landing, and the life coach. All the home pages are here, so you can choose any for your website. So it is good that we got all the home pages, and you can choose any for your requirement. And I believe we got great number of media files, because it took time in importing the demo content. Okay, so it is we got hundreds of images in this import, in fact. Okay, so good, we got all the contents in the import process, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks now. And we have all the home pages with us in this import, so you can choose any. And this is the home page of Koacher of outcome website, and yes, we got, and the wonderful website is with us in this activity, and it is, the installation was really smooth, and we got all the components here. So we got on a wonderful website. I'll just show you some pages like events and courses. Let us see how it looks. The courses page is loading, and this is the event page, and this is the course page. Okay, fine, so it is loading up. So now it's time to show you the theme options, what we got in the installation. And so the most important thing for online courses is LMS, and the Tutor LMS Pro is here, so which lists the courses, and this is the list of courses, and you can of course add your own courses from here. And I'll show you the fields, what are the fields available in the courses, in fact. Okay, so this is the interface of course listing, and this is having basic information like total course duration, requirements, instructions, video, and all such things are here. So course category, tags, students, announcement, Q&A, quiz attempts, add-ons. So it also holds the quiz section, and that is fine. So rest of things are post events are as common as in WordPress, and Boostify header and footer builder is here. You can use these for your website. And yes, so we don't have any theme options, or so TI wishlist is here, WooCommerce is here. Okay, so I believe it can be handled from the customize options. The layout can be handled from the customize option. Let us check. And pages are somehow not loading. So inner pages are not loading. So what I'll do, I'll change the setting and permalinks. It may be hindering the process, and I'm just changing the permalink to plain for the time being, and let us see whether it gets loaded or not. I'll open all the pages. And let us check the about me page, just for instance. Okay, so it is good, and it is loading now. It is not a problem. All pages are here, so you can use these pages for your website as well. So it is good that we got all the pages, and this is the another view of another home page as we got in the demo content. And change the permalink once you set everything to the post name as you need, and everything is here. So I was showing the customize options. This is the customize options. I'm in theme control panel, you can say, for handling your website content. And this is the general setting. Preloader can be disabled from here. This is the main layout, the top bar and the top bar code, so like changing the numbers and all such things. Layout default, breadcrumb page. So I'm just looking for the main layout, top bar and top bar is showing time and rest of things. Okay, breadcrumb page is here. Blog single, shop single, shop header, colors, typography, footer, site identity, and here this is what I was looking for. The logo can be changed from the site identity itself. So just remember, if you are looking for that, you can change logo from site identity. And menus are here. So all controls has been given under the customize options. Homepage, you can choose your homepage from here. All are available in the demo as you've seen, and the events calendar. So we got all the controls of our website along with the demo content, and we are fine with this theme and installation. And I'll just show you how to edit the page contents using a page builder now. And this theme uses Elementor. So open the page for which you want to edit the content, and it is so simple. But what I'll advise you to take a backup any duplicator plugin for at least for home page, just in case you made any mistake. You can restore the page, and Elementor itself has an option to make a copy of pages. So you can choose any, but just take a backup of page which you are editing, at least home page, so so that just in case of mistake you can restore. And Elementor is loading up, and Elementor is very easy tool for editing the page, and it is a great page builder, of course, though it is being accepted worldwide, and it is simple to edit. You can simply click on the content, whichever. This is the slider revolution part, so you can handle this in slider revolution, and just click on the pencil icon for which you want to edit the content. It will be active in the lab column, and you shall be able to handle all these things. So just be comfortable, and you are going to make a wonderful website using this theme. And I believe I have shown you everything about this theme. You might have some questions regarding this theme, so don't hesitate in writing in the comment section of this video. And I am also going to give the link of my website where you can get the Koacher theme along with the hosting plan, or theme only as you need, and you can get in touch directly with me there on the comment of that page. Link has been given in the description. And I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel, as I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.